Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today we are doing a baby llama. So I know that I've done a llama on here on this channel, but actually I've done a couple llamas on here, but I've even done a llama-corn, like a unicorn llama. I've done lots of llamas, but this is my first time doing a baby llama, so it is a little bit different. So even if you've done a llama with me before, this is another fun version to try. So I'm gonna draw my llama kind of standing up. So I want the llama's head to be a little bit towards the left side or the side of your paper, or if you're working on canvas, that's fine too. So go ahead and start with pencil. Even though I'm starting with Sharp, you start with pencil because we want to get the placement right on this llama. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm kind of starting on like I said, the side of my canvas because I need room for the llama's body. So I'm gonna start with like a big nose. I'm gonna put a little sparkle on it. And then I'm gonna put like an egg shape around that nose. And then after we have that's like its little snout, I'm gonna do the swoopy whoopy mouth, like that. And then llamas have really big eyes. So I'm gonna put them kind of like to the side here. I'm gonna actually make these even bigger. Kind of to the side of their face. And I'm gonna put some sparkles. Like this. And color them in. And then llamas have really long eyelashes. So I'm gonna put like a couple long eyelashes like that. And then after you have that, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the face or the sides of the head. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go kind of like curly, like this. Like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the llama's ears. So llama's ears are gonna be tall and pointy, kind of like bunny ears. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little pinky middle in here, just because I always like to add my little pinky middles. And this next part, guys, the llama's neck is super long. So I'm gonna go down, 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 down to like the bottom of my page almost. And then I'm gonna put a little rectangle. And this is gonna be the llama's hoof. I think they have hoofs. So that's gonna be like one of the llama's feet. And then I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna draw more fluffy, more fluffy, more fluffy, and then another hoof. And I'm gonna color that one in. I'm leaving a little shine, just because I like adding shine to everything. I'm even adding a little shine in my hoofs. All right, so after we have this part, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring this down a little bit like this. So it looks like it has kind of a long neck. And then I'm gonna actually draw a curve like this. And then I'm gonna have my llama wearing a blanket. You can decorate your blanket. Sometimes I do like really fancy decorations. Maybe I'll do like, just so I can put some little patterns on here, use some different colors. Okay. And then I'm gonna go like this. I mean, fluffy, 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 fluffy. And I'm gonna put another rectangle down here. It's gonna be like another hoof. And I know llamas have 4 legs, but I am only gonna draw 3 because I think that the other back leg is behind this. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go fluffy, 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 and then connect to that one. And then llamas have a little fluffy tail, like that. So we've got our baby llama. And I think we've got all the things on here. We've got like the long llama neck. We've got the little blanket that they wear. If you guys want to add little extra things on your llama, you can. I'm going to show you how I like to color my llama. So typically with llamas, I leave them like pretty like creamy colored, like white. But because this is like, I wanna add some fun colors. So I'm not gonna just do it white. I might do it like golden or yellow. I think golden's nice. So I might just do like a little hint of yellow around here. So I have like the pinky middles in the ears. And now I'm gonna do like a little bit yellow. And again, guys, I am working super fast. You guys can work a lot slower than this. This is a pretty big llama for being a baby. So it's gonna take me a minute to color all this. All right, so I'm getting all this fur done on my llama. And don't forget the tail. Tail's also gotta be colored in too, it's fur. And then if you guys want to like get fancy with coloring the fur, sometimes I'll like even add little squiggles to make it look like it's furry. So I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. So sometimes like I'll even like add like little furry details like this. It's little squiggles to make it look like extra like fluffy, because it's like a little baby llama. I bet they're even more fluffy than the mama llamas. So just like little curlies here and there with the same color. I'm just like adding a little extra detail here. So once we have that part done, we are ready for our little snout. So usually when I'm doing llamas, let me see if I have a black. Do I have black or gray? Yeah, is this black? Yeah, I've got some black. Okay, so typically I make this part of a llama like a very light gray. So you guys can like make the snout part like a light gray, like this. And then this little blanket area could be any colors that you want. So a lot of times I like to do bright colors. So I'll do like pink, maybe some blue. Let me see if I have blue. I don't need brighter blue than that. Let's do this blue. I might do some blue. But yeah, with the details, you guys can go crazy. You can do any colors, rainbow colors, polka dots, whatever you want. Also the backgrounds, guys, you can put your baby llama wherever you want. You could have her in the mountains, or she could be on vacation. You can put your llama wherever you want. Yeah, so have fun, be creative with how you color this baby llama. Thank you guys so much for drawing with me today. I miss all my friends here at the studio and at school, but I hope that you're getting your art in at home. I will be posting these videos every day at 1 p.m. So I hope to see you guys back here again tomorrow for our lesson of the day.